So this is my LGTV un7300PPC 3 or 4-year-old TV, and it's crap. It it doesn't have a picture, but does have sound. And my friend Bernard, he sent me a couple of links, and I'm gonna try follow them using the tape method. I'm gonna show you a short clip on how the TV looks like. It's just all black, you know. So after removing the cover, by the way, removing the cover is such a pain in the ass. So first you need to make sure it is unplugged. Then you go to Tech Pro Electronics. I'm gonna paste the link on the video description. You just need to press the plastic and pry out the back cover, and that should help you out. And also there are some screws that you need to remove. So what I did was a trial and error. It took me like 5 or 6 times, but this one helped me, so I'm gonna try show this to you guys real quick. Actually, I don't really want to remove this anymore since it was working. It's just giving me a solid white line at the bottom or at the top, but that's okay for me as long as I can play on the Xbox and watch Netflix or HBO, Amazon. So I place a tape. I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but tape is right over here, blocking like maybe 10 or 12 pins. Here's the tape there. It's blocking some lines, gold lines, like maybe 10 to 12. And then I just reinserted this back. It's kind of hard to remove this ribbon at the first try. You need to be very careful. And close it once again. So I made like maybe 5-6 tries. First I was trying to do trial error on this ribbon with the red label, and I made like maybe 3 or 4 attempts, I don't know. And then lastly on this tape technique or method, this one worked, and I'm gonna try show that to you guys. Wait, so plug this in, right? And where's my tripod? So TV's turned on, and where's the remote? Is it working or what? Taking some time. There you go, she's alive. Oh my god. Gonna set up the TV, and there's a white line there you go. And I'm okay with this. It worked. Damn LG. Gonna go get XIAOMI TV. Turning this off, and gonna reassemble them back, and hopefully we can still play on Hell Let Loose Xbox Edition and watch Game of Thrones, crappy House of Dragons. LG TV screws, what model? Craps 43 un7300PPC. They're like 11 screws. So 5 small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the bastard over here 1 or 5. And then larger or longer screws or bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So you need to be very careful about them. And then when removing the back cover, you just need to press this, and then pry this out, and then press hard over here and then pry it out. Same thing on the other side. So correction, there are indeed 11 screws, and small one, the other one goes right here, exacto. And then there's a different kind or larger screw. The biggest one is this, or bolt, much larger than the other ones for the side. This one goes through over here near the, what you call that, RCA jack. you need to check this out before removing the back cover. It's quite hard to notice because it's hidden within the, I don't know what you call them, RCA jacks. So there you go. Gonna set this up and let's check out the white lines in a while. So here's the LG finally assembled. There's the Xbox X series and red lights on, TV plugged in. I'm hoping this one will work, so let's go. Remote, blah blah blah. Here you go, bro. It's just kind of blurry on the camera, and there's like a flickering white line. Yeah, there you go. There's the issue about the tape, but I think I can deal with this for maybe a few months or a year or two until I can save up for a new, maybe a Xiaomi TV. It's kind of blurry on the cam, but with my eyes and watching the TV, I think it's all good. I can live with this. And where's Netflix? There you go. Alright, so adios guys. I hope I help in a way, and this will be a copyright, so let's power this off and just try things out, see if the tape method will work for you. If not, then go buy a Xiaomi TV. Adios folks.